The Aprilia RSV4 is a high-performance sport bike renowned for its advanced engineering, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional handling. Introduced in 2009, the RSV4 is powered by a 999 cubic centimeters V4 engine, which delivers a remarkable balance of power and torque. This engine is mounted in a compact and lightweight chassis, providing a sharp, responsive riding experience. The latest versions of the RSV4 continue to push boundaries, incorporating advanced features and refinements for both track and street use. The RSV4's engine is paired with a sophisticated 6-speed gearbox, and its electronic systems include ride-by-wire throttle, adjustable traction control, multiple riding modes, and a quickshifter for seamless gear transitions. The bike also boasts an advanced braking system with Brembo calipers, ensuring superior stopping power. A key aspect of the RSV4's performance is its aerodynamic design, which minimizes drag and maximizes stability at high speeds. The frame and swing arm are made of high-strength aluminum, contributing to the bike's excellent handling dynamics. The front and rear suspension systems are fully adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune their setup for both road and track conditions. In terms of design, the RSV4 combines aggressive styling with functional ergonomics. The bike's sharp, angular bodywork is complemented by a modern LED headlamp and minimalist tail section. Its overall design is focused on reducing weight and enhancing rider comfort, making it ideal for both competitive racing and spirited riding. The Aprilia RSV4 stands out not only for its blistering speed and power but also for its technological sophistication, making it one of the most well-rounded superbikes available today. Whether on the track or the road, the RSV4 offers an exceptional blend of performance, precision, and style.